Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how you can use your smartphone camera as a webcam. For this you are going to need a software that is called Android Cam. For smartphone you have to download it in smartphone as well as in your PC, and you have to install them in both devices. And first of all, I will install in my laptop. As you can see on screen, I have this setup here, and I will also leave the links of both apps in the description as well. On the cell phone you have to download this app Droid Cam, and also on the cell phone you have to download PC, you have to download this Droid Cam app. So I will install this. You have to download this app. It will just start downloading. Just start it. It will download it in 2 seconds. After downloading both apps, you have to take some steps, and I will be going through all of the steps. Before going further, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment, and also give a like. It will be very helpful for me to grow. Now the setup is downloaded. Just open it. I already have the setup on my desktop as well. And you have to install it. When the installation is running on laptop, I will start installation in my cell phone. So go to the cell phone and go to the Play Store and download and search for Droid Cam. Droid Cam, and you will see this application first, and just click on install, and it will start installation in your cell phone, and it's also installing in your laptop or PC as well. And just wait for the installation process to complete. And now open the Droid Cam application in your smartphone. As you can see, you have to click on next and go to and allow. Now the installation is complete on your PC. Now open this Droid Cam application, and on the smartphone you have to open it as well after the installation. As you can see here, I have the IP Wi-Fi IP on smartphone and the Droid Cam port 4747, and on the computer screen as well you can see that Droid Cam port is 4747, and you have to type the device IP address that is in your smartphone popping in on your screen showing, and type in the same IP and just click on start. You can keep that in mind. You can connect your smartphone via Wi-Fi, or you can use your uh, USB data cable as well. So click on start. When you click on start, as you can see, the back camera of my smartphone is working as a webcam. It's working very perfectly and giving a very clean result of the video. As you can see, You can also rotate the screen if you want. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like and leave a comment down in the description.